Life doesn't come with a map, but isn't that what makes it so exciting? One minute you're coasting along, and the next you're dodging curveballs, chasing dreams, or tripping over your own shoelaces. But somewhere between the chaos and the calm, the mess-ups and the magic, we find something unexpected, growth, and maybe even a little joy. This isn't just a ride, it's an adventure. So buckle up, bring snacks, and let's dive into a journey that's equal parts of fun, fearless, and full of those I can't believe that just happened moments. If you would have told younger Sam that she's moving to Florida with her boyfriend of 3 years, she would have never believed you. But here's to the happy times and the much awaited adventures.
So I think it's officially time we start my moving series, given the fact that I leave in literally 10 days. So of course that means we have a lot to do. If you didn't know and you're new here, I'm currently living in New Jersey. I lived in New Jersey my whole life, in exception to 2 months out of the year when I was growing up that I lived in Florida. And I'm actually picking up everything I have, in exception to my furniture, and I'm moving to Florida with my boyfriend. I'm not gonna say where in Florida, but it's closer to the Orlando area, if that makes sense. I'm really excited because we're gonna be somewhat close to Universal, so when my friends come, when my family comes, we can go to Universal. But we have a lot to do. I already did start packing my clothes, which I filmed a few weeks ago, so I'll insert that in a minute. But just for a little background, we're leaving on October 22nd, and me and my boyfriend are flying there. I think it's gonna be better that we're flying there because, first of all, I'm not good at driving long distances in cars. I can drive up to like 4 hours, and then after the 4-hour mark, I'm like, okay, I'm bored. And I just get very impatient. I don't like sitting still. Now, can I do it if I had to? Yes. It's just if I don't have to, I would prefer not to. Also, I don't think it's in the best interest of the dog to be in the car for 17 hours, especially because she's a puppy. Again, not saying she can't do it, but I just think it's better if we get there quickly. And I'm also utilizing our cars to get everything down there. So basically my plan is me and my boyfriend are gonna ship both our cars. He has a Honda, I have an Acura, and the reason I'm even saying that is because the size of the cars are rather small, and it's gonna be a little bit hard, at least for me, because I'm bringing a lot of stuff. Right now I have 6 vacuum sealed bags filled of clothes and 3 of them unvacuum sealed, so that's not ideal. And then since I lived in an apartment last year, I have stuff like my cups, my plates, my glasses, my mugs, my forks, my utensils, everything like that that I would like to bring, but I don't know if it's gonna fit in the car. Everything has to be under the windowsill of the car and nothing can be in the front seat. I'm not sure why, because it's getting shipped on a truck. No one's driving it. My car is also a lease, so I also didn't want to put the miles on my car if I didn't have to. Driving 17 hours straight would be a lot of miles, so it was in the best interest of me and also my boyfriend, because he doesn't want to make the drive to fly there. And when I was looking for companies to ship our car down, they told me that I couldn't put anything above the windowsill. Now I understand that from the front perspective, but if no one's driving the car, why does that matter if it's just going to be sitting on a truck for the back and the trunk? I'm not sure. I'm gonna stuff my trunk. I'm gonna try to get all of my shoes and everything in my back seat, and then the only other thing I'm having an issue with is I bought a KitchenAid mixer, and yes, I should have done this when I was down there, but it was on sale and it was like $250 off on sale because it was 50% off, and I just couldn't justify spending $500 on a mixer, and I wanted a specific one, and it was on sale for, I think it was Labor Day. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna get it. I'm gonna leave it in the box and I'm gonna ship it in the box that it came in. I wasn't thinking about the car issue. So now I think I'm gonna ship that down. I also am trying to bring my TV and my mirror for my apartment. My boyfriend wants me to bring both of those, but I might ship it down if it can't fit in my car. So we have a lot that I have to do, and we only have 10 days to do it. I'm gonna insert the clips of me packing my clothes now. Basically, I just went through all of my closet and also all of my dresser and packed everything up. I have a few more pieces left that I was washing, but other than that, we should be all set. So I'm gonna insert that now. It is September 20th right now, and we're finally getting started on all of my packing. I cleaned out my closet last week and made a few bags that I want to donate, and then I gave my friends some stuff as well, and now we're sorting through all of my sweatpants, sweatshirts, everything like that. I think today we're just gonna do clothes, and then next week we're probably gonna do the things that I want to bring from my old apartment to my new apartment. We're doing vacuum sealed bags because I'm gonna put this stuff in my car, so that's what we're working on today. Can you tell me if I'm in the frame?
Yeah. Honey, do you want to fix your hair or anything?
It looks bad. We're moving.
Yeah, I mean, like, I would make it look cuter.
What's wrong with it?
You
I'm
could
gonna
look
leave
cute.
this in.
You could look cuter than that.
My mom says this is better. Liking so?
Yeah.
How many should I take though?
Well, you're gonna be working out, right?
We're gonna work on shirts now. I'm currently doing piles of things that I want to take to Florida with me and things that I want to leave home for when I come home. The pile of staying home is not going well. But I wear t-shirts a lot, so I think it's fine.
Listen for any air coming out.
2 down. We just did shirts, sweatshirts, t-shirts, sweatpants, leggings, and now we're gonna do pajamas, which I have a lot of, and also shorts to bring down as well. I just started doing some loads of laundry just to make sure everything's clean because I had some clothes from when I went to Jamaica that I had to wash. We went through all of this and emptied it all out, and I put the clothes that I'm gonna keep here in my closet. The dresser right here is also completely done, so now we're gonna work on my closet. So far we have 3 full vacuum sealed large bags, and there's a lot more, so we'll see how this goes. I guess I'm gonna start with my dresses and everything like that, and then we'll work our way towards the more winter clothes and then my skirts and everything on the bottom. I'm not really sure how much of this I'm gonna bring, but my closet is organized, so we're starting off not as bad as we usually do.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind. Staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out.
That's all done. Some of the bags did unvacuum seal like I mentioned, so we do have to redo those and add a few more pieces of clothes in, and then we're gonna bubble wrap things. We're gonna try to see how we're gonna put everything in my car, and I'm gonna take you along the process. So let's go to my house and get some stuff done because I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous about if it's gonna fit. So this is currently what everything's looking like. I'm gonna bring this suitcase. These are all the vacuum sealed bags, but this one obviously unvacuum sealed. And then I have this one that we're still packing. I have a lot of boxes. This is more for storage purposes. I have some cleaning supplies, which I don't know if I'm gonna bring that. I might leave with my mom depending on if it could fit. And then I have some bubble wrap. This is all of my plates and everything. And then I have another bag and some clothes, and then a KitchenAid. I also want to bring everything in my vanity and all my hair products as well. So it's a lot of stuff and I don't know where to put it all. I think I'm gonna start with my vanity and my hair stuff because that's what's gonna go in my suitcase and everything else is really overwhelming me. I have these bikini bags and I think I'm just gonna put the products in here just in case they spill, they don't get all over the suitcase. I have 3 of them, so I'm gonna try to put the products that I think might spill when on the plane in here because I think that's the best way to do it. I don't really know, that might be an awful idea, but that's just what we're gonna go with for now. I really want to bring my Rhode, all of my Tarte lipsticks. I have like so many of them. I'm gonna bring some of these. I'm gonna leave some stuff here though for when I come home. I'm gonna bring my Rhode blush. I love this stuff so much. Some beauty blenders. I'm gonna go through this and then I'll update you once I get everything all situated. Should I just put my perfumes in here and just hope that they don't open?
You could put like bubble wrap, put it in there.
All of my perfume in here. Some of them are glass, so I wrapped the ones with Amazon bubble wrap that my mom kept, and then I put some of my hair products in here with some of my bows and scrunchies and stuff like that, and then I put my makeup products in here. I'll probably have to add a few, and I'm still going through all of my hair tools and my hair products. I'm hoping that the perfume doesn't break. I might rewrap it because I'm scared it's gonna either break or open, but for now everything's in here. I just went through all of the bags that were on my floor with clothes and I sorted through them and put some of the clothes in vacuum sealed bags, and my mom's hanging up the other ones in my closet that I'm gonna leave here for when I'm here for the holidays. But most of our vacuum sealed bags, an exception to this one, have unsealed or like unvacuum sealed, so I'm gonna try to fix that now. And then while I was doing that and packing up my hair stuff, my mom was bubble wrapping all of the fragile stuff that we're gonna try and ship in my car, and hopefully it doesn't break. This one will definitely fit in the car.
I think we should do smaller ones then.
No, because I think it'll be more bags then.
Yeah, but they could fit better.
I guess we'll see. This one's actually very light. These are extremely heavy. I don't even know how I'm gonna carry them up into my apartment or even down to my car. But one vacuum sealed, 10 to go. Not actually 10. I re-vacuum sealed these bags and then these bags. We're gonna see if they can fit in my car. If not, I'll move them into separate ones. And then I have this suitcase, which I'm going to pack all of these clothes in along with my hair stuff, my hair tools, and also my makeup, and hopefully it all fits. Suitcase is all packed. It's on the floor right here. And now I'm gonna sort through my shoes and seeing which ones that I want to bring and which ones I want to donate and which ones I want to keep here. We're going through my shoes. I have a lot of shoes, but I think we're making good progress in the facts of last time I moved from my apartment to here. I didn't pack anything. We just threw everything in boxes day of. So I think we're doing good on progress. It's actually the next day now, and I did a lot of progress at my house. Most of the stuff at my house is all done. We just have to actually pack it into my car the 19th because it's getting picked up the 20th to be shipped to Florida. It should get there the 22nd, which is when we're moving. Now I'm at my boyfriend's house and I have to pack some of my stuff that I have here, and I also just want to get everything situated and help him out as well to pack his car. So we're gonna go through more of my shoes here because most of my shoes are here, and then just a few of my clothes, a few of my things that I will want to take. I am going to be bringing most of the stuff that I have here in my backpack because it's more of like my electronics and the stuff that I'll need on the plane, whereas the stuff at my house was more things that are going to go under the plane and also in my car. So that's the update on that. I also called the shipping company about my TV and my mirror, and I have to get them the weight of everything. And then I called the car company that's shipping our cars, and I realized that there can only be up to 100 pounds of product in the car unless we pay more, and my stuff is definitely over 100 pounds. So we're gonna have to pay a little bit extra, but that's okay because it'll save me money rather than just shipping it all there, if that makes sense. So that's a little update. I'm gonna go sort through my clothes and also my shoes in my boyfriend's room, and then I have a few like kitchen things that I got from TJ Maxx for like the holiday seasons that I want to bring as well. So we're gonna do all of that now. I think I'm gonna split this video up into 2 parts because I want to get this part up this week and then my moving and packing vlog up next week when we move. So that's a little rundown. Let's go do some more packing. Shoes and some of my bags out of the closet. A lot of these clothes are staying here because they're summer clothes, and we're gonna be here for the summer for probably 3 weeks, and I don't want to have to bring stuff home, so I'm gonna leave some summer stuff here and some winter stuff here, just like I did at my parents' house as well. I have a lot of shoes though, and I definitely don't need all of these shoes. Some of these shoes are my mom's as well, so I want to sort through all of them and give her shoes back. I don't really have anything else in this closet. This bottom shelf is mine. I'm gonna sort through all this now.
These are the shoes I'm gonna bring in my car because I don't wanna put them in a suitcase since they're gonna be a little bit heavier and the suitcase can only be 50 pounds to under the plane. And then these are some of my mom's shoes, and the slippers I'm just gonna leave here for when I'm here. But honestly, I don't think that's bad. It's only one bag, so doing pretty good. They're also not gonna be packed like that. I'm just putting them in my car right now. I just put all the shoes in my car and I'm going to bring them to my parents' house and kind of look at all of them together and also give my mom her shoes back. I definitely want to leave some here, but I don't think I need to bring all of them, so I definitely need to consolidate a little bit. But I want to pack efficiently, so I'm going to do it when I go back to my parents' house tomorrow to finish up packing and also get my TV situated and my mirror situated. Moving is really a lot. It's like a full-on workout. I say this in all of my moving videos. I feel like it seems like an easy process, but it's really not. There's like so much that goes into it, especially when you're moving states, which I've never done before, an exception to 2 months out of the year, but that was just me bringing clothes. It was my grandma's condo and it wasn't like a whole entire moving experience where I'm literally leaving the state for 3 years. Obviously I'll be back to visit, but it's completely different and I'm bringing a lot of stuff with me, so it is a bit stressful. I think it's good that I started now rather than 5 days before or even day of, because that would just not go well. But I think that's gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna do a series of moving, so I hope you guys are excited because I want to document this. If you stayed up until this point of the video and you're excited for my moving series, comment this emoji down below and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye.